Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everybody. Welcome to Qibla Institute channel. This is Zainab and this is an Arabic language course to take you from the very beginning to the advanced level. Now, let me ask you something. Do you know that Arabic language is something difficult to know, something difficult to learn, to write, to read? Let me tell you that Arabic language is one of the most easy languages around the world. And if you want to know the difficulty or the easiness of any language, you just have to make contrast between this language and your own language. Did you know before that Arabic language that has just 3 tenses, not 12 like in English, for example? We have just past, present, and future. Just it. Did you know that writing in Arabic is one of the most easiest parts in learning this language? Did you know that Arabic language is a sacred language, as all Muslims around the world from different nationalities speak Arabic? At least they know the basics of the Arabic. To pray, to recite Quran, and to read Hadith, and so on. Now, Arabic language is the language of 300 million people around the world, of 26 countries. And all the Muslims speak Arabic, must speak Arabic, okay? And the Holy Quran revealed in Arabic. Did you know that these curves and dots in Arabic that looks like something similar to each other, you don't know how to differentiate between them, is very easy to learn? And if you learn this thing, Arabic will be like a piece of cake. Now, are you eager to learn Arabic? Let me tell you something. The Arabic language has 28 letters. Every letter has different shape of writing according to its position, according to if it's initial or medial or final position. If you know this trick, Arabic language will be something like a piece of cake. Now, stay tuned, be ready, and get your notebook. See you inshallah in the first episode, in which you will learn how to read and write from the first episode. Okay? See you and stay tuned.